I'm always searching for the Holy Grail. I know it's out there somewhere. But anyway, I'm going to look at something else today. Still incorporating the CCI, but have a look at the chart. This is a 15-minute chart of crude oil, and there's two, I guess, moving averages. The first one is the blue one, which is, if I can open it up, it's a 30 SMA. I use this MA ribbon because it has 4 EMAs. So the blue line is a 30 simple moving average, okay? And this other one that changes colour here is this. If I can open this up. This is it Kaufman? Is that how you pronounce it? Kaufman, Adaptive Moving Average. Many of you may know this. This is made by, well, it's not made by, this one's put together by Everget. Okay, and this was last, I don't know when it was released, last updated 2021. Okay, so this is called Kaufman Adaptive Moving Average, and if you want to know more about it, sorry, just go back into here. I think there's a small amount of info that he gives on it, or just go search the web and you'll come up with a whole stack of stuff. His settings I have not changed. It's 14, 2 and 30. I have not changed this at all. And to find this, just go into here and just go KAMA and you'll see it come up here, Everget. Where is it? Okay, it's not that. It's KAU Kaufman, and it's this one here, moving average. Okay, I'll make it a favourite. There's a lot of them, but I've just chosen this one. And it's a really simple setup. The reason why I have a 30 simple moving average is because I'm using it as a crossover system, which you probably shouldn't do, but it seems to work really well on backtesting. The whole idea is if the Kaufman is under the simple moving average, we go short, and if the Kaufman is above the simple moving average, we go long. That's it. Okay, and as you can see, it works pretty well. No indicator here would give you any direction. Look how flat that is. So you just stay out of all this consolidation bullshit until you see a break, if you can. But it's pretty good. It's very reactive. Okay, so, and it's very easy to see which way you should be going. Also, he has this coloured, so obviously when it's red you go short, and when it's green you go long. But I've put the simple moving average in here to stop us from taking some false signals which the Kaufman does produce. Okay. The CCI is also used. I like to, my favourite way to trade this is when, this is a 20 CCI by the way. My favourite way to trade this is on breakouts here, when it breaks low below the 100. Okay, so we take that for a short, or whether it breaks above this for a long. As you can see, it doesn't always work, but I do wait for these signals. Okay, or sometimes when this 20 is going above the zero line of the CCI, I'll also look at these two moving averages, and if price is breaking through, well, the CCI is also telling me that it's a good sign of strength. Okay, so we go back to crude oil from last night, Friday the 23rd, sorry, Thursday the 22nd of May. It was quite a shitful trading session. I missed this here at the very start, and this also. I didn't come in till here, and I didn't trade it actually. I just couldn't work it out. And so this morning I've just come back and thought, I'll try these two indicators together, and lo and behold, it just gave me direction straight away. You know, with the confidence of the CCI, you can see that that's moving upwards, and you can see the breakout here. I actually missed this breakout. I don't know what happened. I think I just stepped away from the computer. It happened very quick, but there was a nice 20 center here, and then the price pulled back down. But the CCI, it didn't give you a signal to go short. It just bounced off this SMA and then it came back up. So this is where the Kaufman is invaluable. And then then there was a very late short here, which is the end of the day. So, but just go check this out. Kaufman, I think that's how you pronounce it. Otherwise, it's called KAMA. It's pretty good. I haven't tried it out on other time frames yet. I'm just focusing on the 15-minute and just going back through days and weeks of research just to see if I can find problems with it. But it's very reactive, especially with the simple moving average. Just before I go, I will put up a 30 EMA and you'll be able to see the difference here. It's a little bit hard. Let me just close down. It's a little bit hard to see, but the 30 EMA kind of sits between both of them, and they all sort of react around about the same. You could use the EMA version of it. I don't see why not. Let me just get back to last night. The EMA is going to react probably a little bit quicker than the simple moving average, but as you can see, they're both about the same. But the issue I've got with the simple moving averages here, sorry, with the exponential moving averages right here, in that, let me see if I can just turn price off for a second. Just give me a second. So, right, I think it was here, that price pushed back down through the exponential, which is the red line, and the Kaufman. And you would have thought, okay, we'll go short. And this is why I use the simple, because it was just a lot lower and it kind of kept us in the trade. So sometimes the EMA is not so good. Sometimes the simple moving average is better. You need to go back and back test it. So yeah, you might have taken a trade here to go short, where in actual fact the whole market was still going long at that point. So that's the reason I don't have the EMA. I have the simple moving average version of that, and I haven't tried a longer version of the Kama, K-A-M-A. I've just kept it like this. I'm just trying to keep things really, really simple and usable across various platforms. So yeah, just go check that out. It's actually a really pleasurable way to trade, and it's just visually, it's right there. You're not going to miss out on too much. The Kaufman, as I say, is very responsive. Sometimes it's too responsive. You can see here it really reacts quite heavily to change, and that's why we need to have other indicators just to kind of settle the thing down. But I'll keep back testing this, and I'll come back with some more results if I find that it's actually producing better results. As I say, in here, there's no way you could have traded that anyway. You can see the CCI was just within its channel and never broke out. And I am a breakout trader here and here. All right, go practice this. Good luck.